Hello trader, welcome back to the channel. I'm so happy to have you today in this breakdown of some trade that I've been taking on Friday, and they are all live trade, and there are a lot of things that you can learn from. So make yourself comfortable and just jump into the chart, because I have one loss, free break even, and other two trade that I do not take. Okay, so let's see, let's break down all those trades. Now we are on EU in the 4H time frame. I already set my chart on Wednesday, the 8th of December. When I wake up that morning, the market was bullish, right? Because here we have the breakout structure, and what caused the breakout structure? The little girl down here. So we draw our OB, and now the market is a kind of pullback phase, right? So we jump in the 30-minute time frame, and in the 30-minute time frame, we see something really interesting. Why? Because here, how you can see, here we have the breakout structure, right? And what caused the breakout structure is not this one, but it's this one down here. So for me, overall, when I wake up in the morning here, for me, the market was still bullish in the 30-minute time frame. So for me, the 4H was bullish, the 30-minute bullish. I did a refinement in 15 minutes of this area down here, this one, right? Because this is my order block that I should be waiting the price to tap in and find some long position, right? So the refinement, I did it in the 15 minutes time frame, is what pretty much the same. It was pretty much the same. So for me, it was perfectly okay. And here I already see a liquidity point right here. So now we have to go in the 1 minute time frame to search some entries, and we show you the entries that have been taken. The liquidity is here. It's already drawing the chart, growth in the chart. So it's here. And the first trade was exactly here, and that was a loss. Okay, so I will play out the price, then the price goes down. Here we have the liquidity grab. As soon possible, we have the liquidity grab. We search for a long entry, and where occurred a long for me. So the signal to get into the trade was exactly here, because till here I was we were bearish, and then here we have the trend change up, and when the trend change up occur, we can jump into the trade for the long. But unfortunately, look, guess what? Stop loss, right? Stop loss, and we still in our 30 minutes OB with the refinement in 15 minutes. Here again, where we were going down. Here we had the breakdown, so it's bearish, and then we have to wait the price to break up, okay, before take a long trade. Let's see. Look here, pretty beautiful. Here we have the breakout structure up, so this is our signal to get into the trade, and I jump into the trade. I put my stop loss, you know, like 5 pips, 5 pips, sorry, below this the previous low. So I jump into the trade, and let's see how it play out. It play out perfectly, I should say, right? But in this trade, look, I was targeting 5R, okay? I was targeting 5R, and this was the first mistake of my day, because for my plan, my rules, I should be targeting 3R, and 3R, the price arrived till 4R. Look at this, beautiful. But then what's happened? What's happened, guys? Guess what? The price retraced until my break even. It touched my break even, so I went from 4R to 0. Right? Because when one of my rule is that when the price arrive around 1.5 or 2, R. I just move my stop loss to the entry point, just a little bit above, not really at the entry point, just above, just to cover some commission and stuff. So here, break even, and that was the first trade of the day, right? And yeah, this hurt me a little bit. I have to be honest, but it is what it is. Again, let's go back to the 30-minute and see why I took this other trade. Let's see. Let me go back to the 15-minute, no, 30-minute, sorry, because remember, we are still bullish, right, in the 4H time frame. And for me, this big OB was still valid. That's why, even though I have here the breakout structure down, I still jump into the trade. That's why, okay? So here in this case, in this time, I drew my my other OB that was a kind of inside, but this big range here was still valid. So that's why I jump again into the trade. Okay, let's see in the 1 minute time frame what's happened there. Always the same, guys. The price reverse, touch my break even from the previous trade, and then I was looking for another opportunity for long, where the long occur, the break, the TC up occur here, right here, and then I jump into the trade. I put my stop loss 5 pipette below the previous low in the valid 1 minute range, and here it was pretty much the same. Yeah, pretty much the same. The same thing. This was a valid. I believe that this was a valid. It was a valid break even, because you see here I was targeting. Here I was targeting how much? 3R, and the price arrived at 2R. I was already moved my stop loss to break even. So this was a valid break even. I was okay with that. And yeah, let's move on and see what's happened. And then in the evening, I have another trade in the London session. So at the same times that with those free trade, previous trade, but in AU, okay? In AU, in the morning, that was a break even as well. Let's go. Let's finish here. Then in the evening, I will play out some candles, right? Let's go back to the 30-minute, and then like I will close everything here. And let's see, the price did a funky thing during the New York session. This zone was already invalid because the market turned bearish in the 4H, right? Let's cut it here in the 4H. The market shifts structure here in the blue zone. The price breaks below, and when the price breaks below, so we are bearish in the 4H. So I'm now looking only for short, okay? And the break occur here, so this is not valid anymore. This one neither. So I'm waiting my price. What caused that break of structure, right? The break of structure, what caused it? The break of structure has been caused by this guy, this last buy to sell. So now I'm looking for sell. And jumping down in the 1 minute time frame for an entry, we can see that here it's a perfect trade. This was a perfect trade because the price goes down and then comes up, and this is our zone. Liquidity point. Where is the liquidity point? Is here. The liquidity point is right there, and guess what? The price takes it. Yeah, right. The price takes it, and when it takes it, what we have to wait? We have to wait the break of structure down. Where should be occur the break of structure? The break of structure should be occur where? We have the break of structure at. This is all inside. should be down here, right? Down here. So I should be enter somewhere here. Breakout structure down here. My enter is here. My stop loss there. Some pipettes above the previous low. And here I should be like, it's like 2.5 hours. Yeah, it was good. I do not jump into this trade because my stop loss was so big. It was so big. And that's why I do not jump into this trade. Those was the 4 opportunity in the EU, right? Euro, dollar, and yeah, just it. Now just move in the AU and see what's happened there. Let's see. I already drew something in the chart. We are here, right? Let's go to the 4H. In the 4H, just break down the structure to make that is being clear for you, to make it clear for you. Look, we are on Friday at 7, right? 7 a.m. Here the market is bullish, right? Because here we have the breakout structure. What caused the breakout structure? This last sale to buy. So I want just looking for longs opportunity at that time. So going down to the 30-minute time frame, in the morning, we are here, right, guys? So we just wake up in the morning and look here. This, we have the last breakout structure down here, right? Breakout structure up. What caused the breakout structure? That gas down here that have been mitigated first here, but here the price do not breaks above. So all those things here are inside, right? Inside structure. But here in this inside structure, I've seen that I have a breakout structure up. What caused the breakout structure? The little guy down here. So I draw my order block, refine in the 15 minutes always, right? Refine in the 15 minute perfectly here. And let's see in the 1 minute time frame, the entry. The entry was perfect as well. Look here. Here I draw 2 liquidity point. One is here, another one is here. Both has been taken. And of course, I jump into the market as soon as possible. I saw the shift of structure up. The price going down. So our range is this one. Then the price goes up and arrive here, breakout structure down. What caused the breakout structure down is this guy up here. And then here the break up occur. And what caused that breakout structure is this OB down here. So when the price comes there, we jump into the trade. And I was looking for, again, 5R. Here I did a mistake. I did 2 mistakes. The first one was this. Instead of put 5 pipette below the previous low, so from here is now here is 17. I should be put at 22. That was the first mistake. My calculator, I get wrong. Basically, I put 4.5, something like that. So then the take profit should be 3R. So if I should doing that, I should reach my target in this trade. That do not happen thoroughly because first I completely, wrong with the stop loss, and then I was targeting like 4R, 5R, something that I don't used to do. I normally targeting 3R. So that was another really, really huge mistake. In the evening, as EU, I did the same opportunity to enter into the short trade, into the short. Why? in this case, even though we are bearish, we are bullish in the 4H time frame. Here we are bullish in the 4H time frame in retracement. In retracement means that we can targeting some shorts, okay, because it's the retracement, and the break of structure occur here. Even here is broke. It's a break also. It breaks also here, down here. So when it come back till here, we should be take a trade right here, because this is the last. I will cancel this one because the last buy to sell is this one. You see, this candle is blue, so it was this one. I should be taking the trade down there. So let's go to the 1 minute time frame and see. Look at this. The price came in, tapped into our zone. It tapped the first time here, but when it tapped in, here we have the TC down. This TC down induce other traders to enter into the market. And when they enter, guess what? The price come, and their stop loss is, or it's here above, right? And guess what? The price come in, take them out from the trade, and then smash to the other side. So here I have my first TC down, and this is not the correct one, it's the fake TC. So I have to wait the second TC that occurs down here. So when this happens, I should enter into the trade and put my stop loss just above, like let's do 5 pipettes, something like that, right? And here I should be having my free R. I do not jump into this trade because again the stop loss was too big, too big. Normally my trade, my stop loss is like 5, 6, but 10 for me was really high. But now I'm working on that, just like if the opportunity occur, without thinking too much about the stop loss 5, 6, 10. It's occur, I just enter into the trade and let's see, let's it run, right? So those are all the trades that I should be taking, or I have taken already. It was a really good learning day because the first thing that I learned is that focus to my plan, so target my free R and take my free R and go out from the trade. The other thing is that I should be entering the trade without stay there and think about the stop loss is 6 pips, 10 pips. No, if my setup it's showing up, I have to show up as well into the trade. So that are the biggest lesson that I have learned on Friday. Hope this is really valuable for you. And if did you like those trades, smash the like button below. I should be posting new videos. So thank you very much to subscribe to the channel.